Hello, everyone. Welcome to Catherine's ESL Classroom. In today's lesson, we are going to focus on zero conditional. Well, what is a zero conditional? Well, let's learn some more and find out. Let's get started. So today's lesson, zero conditional, the importance, how to form a zero conditional, some examples of a zero conditional, and a challenge quiz. I know how much you enjoy those challenge quizzes. So are you ready? So let's going to review it. The importance of the zero conditional. Zero conditional sentences are used to talk about facts or general truths that are always true, like scientific facts. For example, if you heat ice, it melts. Okay, so if you heat ice, it melts. That's your zero conditional, and that's the importance of it, just like scientific facts, because it's always true. Now, how are we going to form zero conditional sentences? Zero conditional sentences are made up of an if clause and a main clause, both of which include verbs in the present simple tense. An example: if you heat ice, it melts. Okay, so this is the same example, but I'm showing you how to form it. How to form it means how you put it together. This is the if clause because it has if, and this is the clause. It's not a complete sentence yet. And a main clause. This is the main clause. It melts. If clause, main clause. Zero conditional sentences can also be made with when instead of if. For example, when you heat ice, it melts. You see how I changed if you heat ice, it melts. I changed it to when you heat ice, it melts. Some example sentences. Now let's read along, okay? If you heat water to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, it boils. That's your if clause, and this is your main clause. If I am late for class, my teacher gets angry. This is the if clause. This is the main clause. If it rains and I don't have an umbrella, I get wet. This is the if clause, and this is the main clause. You see how these are scientific facts? We know that if it rains and you don't have an umbrella, you will surely get wet. It's a scientific fact. That's your zero conditional. If people eat too much, they get fat. Now, most of the time, people, if they eat too much, they do get fat. That's a scientific fact. If I study too much, I get really tired. If you study too much, do you get really tired? Do you feel that's a scientific fact? If it is, it's a zero conditional because it's true. So are you ready for your challenge review quiz? Come on, you can do it. Remember, zero conditionals, if clause or the when clause, and your main clause. If in fact it's true, it's a scientific fact as if it's true, okay? You're going to choose the correct answer to make a zero conditional sentence. If people eat lots of candy, what happens? Do they gain weight? Do they gained weight? Are they gaining weight? Now remember, you have to have the same verb tense. Where's the verb? Here's the verb, eat. So what verb tense is eat? It's present simple tense. So that means you have to match it, okay? They gain weight, they gained weight, or they are gaining weight. Which one is it? They gain weight. If people eat lots of candy, they gain weight. This is your if clause, and this is your main clause. If I wake up late, I was late for work, I lates for work, or I am late for work. Now, where's your verb in your if clause? This is your verb, wake up. So what's wake up? If I wake up late, I was late for work, I late for work, I am late for work. Which one? If I wake up late, I am late for work. Did you get that one? Was that easy or was that tricky? You let me know. Did you get it? Well, if you did, congratulations. You've been studying hard. When it's cold, I wore a jacket. I always wear a jacket if I wear a jacket. Now, where is your if clause? This is the when clause. Now you need your main clause. Remember, if clause can be changed to the when clause. When it's cold, I wore a jacket. I always wear a jacket if I wear a jacket. Which one? When it's cold, I always wear a jacket. Did you get it? Congratulations if you did. Now, is this the if clause or the main clause or the when clause? If I don't have much money, I don't eat out. I didn't eat out. I am eating out. So this is your if clause. And now you need your main clause. Which is the answer? If I don't have much money, I don't eat out. So this is your if clause, and this is your main clause. When you put water in the freezer, it will be frozen, it freezes, it has frozen. So is this the if clause, the when clause, or the main clause? This is the when clause, which can be replaced with the if clause. Okay, you can say when or if. When you put water in the freezer, it will be frozen. It freezes, it has frozen. Which is the answer? It freezes. Did you get it? Congratulations if you did. Bravo, everyone. Congratulations and well done. Thank you, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the class on zero conditional and you did wonderfully on the challenge quiz. Let me know how you did. Well, thank you, and until next time. Bye.